We will solve a manual problem on ANSYS. There is a square bar. One side it is fixed and the length of the bar is 60 mm. And the cross section is shown in the side view, which is having breadth as a 10 mm and height as a 40 mm. And it is subjected to a vertical load acting towards downwards 1 kilonewton. And the reaction will be obviously upward where it is fixed. So this is the main problem. In this problem, they have given us E, that is Young's modulus, 2.1 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square. So in this particular problem, we need to find out the reaction, stress, that is bending stress, and total elongation. So we will start with the solution. So first of all, I will write down the general equation or standard equation for the bending, which is given by M by I is equals to bending stress by Y. So here M is bending moment, I is moment of inertia, sigma s is stress, and Y is a distance. I will show in the diagram. Y is a half distance or centroid or central axis, distance up to the central axis. So let's start with finding out bending moment. So bending moment is generally said as it is a load into distance. So the load acting is 1 into 10 raised to 3 Newton and the length or distance is 60 mm. So the answer is 60 into 10 raised to 3 Newton mm. So next we will find moment of inertia. It is having a standard formula. So formula is given by I is equals to W into B cube divided by 12. So I will put the values 1 into 10 raised to 3 as a W and B is the height 40 cube divided by 12. So my answer is 53.53 into 10 raised to 3 mm to the power 4. I will find out the value of Y. So the height is 40, so Y is equals to 40 by 2. As I told you, it is a center for 20 mm. Then stress is equals to bending moment into Y divided by I. So substitute the values. We have already got everything. M means what, Y means what, and I means what. If we substitute, we will get a stress value 22.5 Newton per mm square. But here we have to consider stress correction factor and we will get it from the design data handbook. For this kind of diagram, it is 1.9. So multiply the obtained stress with 1.9. We will get the new value of a stress, that is 42.75 Newton per mm square. The next step is to find out the elongation delta L. So elongation is having formula W into L cube divided by 3 EI. So W is applied load, L is length of that square bar, that is 60 mm, 3 E is given in the data 2.5 into 10 raised to 5, I we have found out 53.3 into 10 raised to 3. So our answer is 0.0064. This is per node. So we have to find out total deflection. So how to find out total deflection, what we have to do, from software we will get number of nodes on the surface. From the software we have to just multiply that with elongation whatever we have got. So see the procedure carefully. Number of nodes per area into elongation delta L. So this number of nodes per area I am not writing because you will get it from the software. Just multiply it with obtain the deflection, you will get total deflection in the diagram, and the reaction is above, so it will be positive 1000 Newton.